Hey everyone, this is me Sonam Prajapati and welcome back to my channel Teach Tutorial Now. So friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make our YouTube channel private. So friends, basically I let you know there is no way to make channel private. There is no option in the YouTube setting to make channel private, but I will let you know very easy way to make your YouTube videos privately in just only one click. So friends, let's start the video now. Okay, so friends, now go your channel, open your channel, and friends, you can see in the settings there is no option for making YouTube channel privately. So I let you know the easy way to make your videos privately in just one click. So click on the my channel, and after that just click on the create customize channel. Click on customize channel, and after this friends, click on the video manager. I really don't like the new version of this, so I just click on the Creator Studio Classic and skip this. After this friends, just click on here and your all videos are selected. So here all videos are selected, and after that friends, go to here and just you can hide your videos by clicking unlisted, and if you want to make private, just click on the private, so your all video would be private. And same things, you can make your video to public by doing this same process. I hope you friends like this video. If you have any questions, comment me below. Any problem, leave a comment and I will really help you. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you soon with the new one. Till now, bye bye, take care.